In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to YouTube. It will be the same thing. You can do it from your phone. Just go to your YouTube and select view your channel. On your YouTube channel, you will find this customized channel. Click on it. Scroll down and you will find name here. Just select any channel name you want, and from here you can change the handle. This is the URL of the channel, which is the one from here. This is it. It's in the URL. You can change it also from here if you want. You can select a specific name. And after that, just select the name you want like this and just click on publish. After this, if I go back to my channel and I refresh, it has changed the name. No problems. If you want to change this ID, you can change it from here. Select any handle you want. You need to be authentic. If someone else has the same name, you can do it. So just leave it if you want. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.